barrel. The skin of the armour of the tiger, but not the skin of the armour. That 75mm gun there on the Churchill is going to struggle to penetrate the arm of the tiger. But at least it's redressing the mud to some extent. And the Churchill's manoeuvring to get a shot at the tiger. Here's Agent Churchill decided to make use of that. Literally, they're going to throw everything they can at that tiger. Drawing the chance into the shadow periscope, into the commander. Do something to slow it down. Meanwhile, the Churchill is advancing to high position. This is all very, very productive in 10 minutes. Could go either way. Churchill. This is a 6-pounder Churchill. That makes it an even harder task to try and deal with the big armour on that tiger. They're running for it. They've decided to run it. They've got